Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, actually, hyaloid artery will regress by 4 months and disappears by 8 months. But if it persists, then it is a persistent hyperplastic vitreous. Then we have two remnants of the um, hyaloid artery. So Mittendorf dots are the anterior remnants of the hyaloid artery is called as Mittendorf dots. So Mittendorf dots are the anterior remnant of the hyaloid artery. So in the picture, so this is the anterior remnant of the hyaloid artery. Actually, hyaloid artery will start from the optic disc and goes through the vitreous into the posterior surface of the lens. So this is the remnant which is present at the posterior surface of the lens.
thank you and thank you for watching.